Yo, what's going on, man? So, this is our Columbus Day session. All right, once again, we're about to go ahead and take some positions. All right, so if you can, we're waiting for structure to break. So, once we have this break of structure out of our accumulation zone, all right, we're going to take some entries. All right, let's see what we get. All right, so this is what we're expecting. Once again, we're expecting uh, a hit to the upside, but we're looking for it to continue to the downside. All right, so this is our sentiment for today. We're looking for price to continue to the downside. All right, so right now we have some slow movement. Sellers are getting back into the market. Once again, we're waiting. We're waiting for a break of structure. I'm not in. Not in at the moment. Once again, I'm waiting for structure to be broken. All right. All right. So once again, delete this. All right. So once again, all right, this is our overall trend. All right, we have broken a 4 hour trend to the downside. Once again, we did have a lot of aggressive selling Friday. So once again, we're looking for it to continue and hopefully reach our zone 45,080. Once again, that's going to be an area of interest. But once again, we're waiting for structure to be broken. All right. So once again, we're going to be on standby. We're going to wait for the move. Once again, patience, timing, and execution. That's pretty much what we're looking for. All right. All right. Right now, we got some movement to the downside. Have some movement to the downside. Once again, you don't want to be caught in the fake out. All right. If you're person like me that's holding, all right, you want to make sure that you have the direction correct before you get in. All right. Otherwise, if you quick scalping, you want to make sure that you're in and out. But a day like this, I'm going to look to hold for the entire day. All right. So once again, I'm waiting for a strong confirmation. All right. All right. So far, we got some push to the upside. So buyers are currently getting back into the market, but once again, we want to make sure that it is for certain. All right, we don't want to get faked out on a day like this. All right, we will expect some movement, but once again, we want to wait for the overall move. So I'm still waiting for a little bit more confirmations. All right, we're going to see what it's looking like on the 15-minute chart. So once again, still don't have a strong momentum candle on the 15-minute chart. So once again, this is just choppy. All of this is choppy. I'm not going to even bother trading this. All right, I'm waiting for a breakout. All right, this is our accumulation zone. We need to break this zone. So once again, as an experienced trader, I don't even bother getting into this. All right, sellers are getting a little bit aggressive, but once again, have to break this area. To break this area, can't get in until we break the zone. All right. So once we break the zone, all right, this is what we're looking for. We're looking for a break, retest. All right, that's what we're looking for. Break, retest, and then we execute. All right. But right now, we just got to be patient. Got to be patient. Wait for the overall move. All right, it's gonna happen. We just have to wait for confirmation. All right. All right, so I'm going to have to step out of the office for a little bit. I'm going to give you all the play. So once again, we have to break this accumulation zone. So we can't take anything until we break these accumulation zones. If it don't break this accumulation zone, do not bother getting into the trade. All right, I'm telling you, don't get in. All right, I should be back. What time is it? I should be back before 9:30. But once again, this is your play. Once it breaks the